So today guys, hindi tayo mag-review ng smartphone, but rather we'll be reviewing an app and mga things na nabili ko doon sa app na yon. And the app that I'm talking about is none other than Temu. In this video, evaluate natin kamusta naman kanyang service, kamusta naman kanyang mga voucher and discounts, and overall, yung mga items na nakuha ko sa kanila, kamusta naman. So, here goes. So finally, dumating na aking package from Temu. And honestly, it took around mga 6 to 7 days to receive this upon ordering. And I'm not really sure kung meron silang warehouse dito sa Pilipinas, no? And sabi dito sa address, galing siya sa Western Bikutan. But I personally believe galing to sa China. So, international shipping for 6 to 7 days, not bad. So, packaging, kita na intact naman siya. Wala naman nakita mga butas, so which is not so bad ang kanyang packaging. Makapal lang kanyang plastic. And nung binuksan ko siya ng blade, honestly, makapal nga talaga kanyang plastic compared to the other ones. So, pag mas makapal ang plastic, better protect ang mga items mo inside. And there's a lot of bubble wraps dito sa loob. Honestly, tinanggal ko na siya even before shooting this video. So, before we get any further, itong Temu app na ito, you can download it using this QR code. Available naman siya sa Google Play Store and sa mga Apple App Store. So, before we even open everything that's inside this package, ano nga ba ino-offer ni Temu as compared to sa other mga online shopping app na mas sikat sa kanya? Affordable price and amazing coupons. Honestly, I really agree do sa amazing coupons kasi ang dami ng pa-coupons every single day. Lalo sa mga new users like you, ang dami na i-offer sa iyo ng magandang coupons. Well, just to get your attention and get you started. Free shipping on all of your orders and your first return is free. Meaning, babalik sa yung pera and yung item is free pag hindi ka happy. 15-day no update refund and 30 days no delivery refund, which I think okay na offer to. So tumatanggap sila ng all kind of payments, GCash, PayPal, credit card, debit card, name it. Hindi lang very sure sa COD, no? You have to check kung available sa area mo. Pag late down deliver sa'yo, meron pa siyang pa-coupon sa'yo. Now let's start opening these things na nabili ko. So first na nabili ko is this one. It's a 12-volt intelligent pulse repair charger na would be perfect, lalo na ngayon kakabagyo lang ni Typhoon Karina PH, and para sa mga motorcycles, yung mga kotse na kailangan mag-charge up, okay to. Personally, I would say na hindi ko pa siya nakakabit sa aking kotse and hindi pa naman siya nalolobat. So, once na nalobat ang aking kotse, this is definitely something na ikakabit ko sa kanya. What I can say is sturdy ang kanyang build. So, on one side, kakabit mo sa outlet, and on the other two side, kakabit mo sa iyong battery, be it Motolite, Amaron, or other brands. So, what's nice naman dito sa kanya, magandang kanyang grip, sturdy ang build neto, hindi siya, yung mukhang chipipay, no? And honestly, this is very affordable. I'll be posting everything on the link on the description box below. And sana magamit ko to pretty soon. Gusto ko lang siya i-test out, no? So, habang hindi pa naman nalolobat ang aking battery, I don't get the chance to test this one. And inside it also includes a user manual para in case na hindi mo alam paano gamitin, andito na. Next one, we have a TWS na U20 gaming headset, sabi daw niya. And very affordable siya, no? If tama ang nabili ko dito, it's around mga 500 pesos, if I'm not mistaken. So, pag in-unbox natin, this is what you'll get. No? So, maganda siya and it looks very gamer-centric naman siya. And likod niya, charging port niya is a USB Type-C. And pagbukas mo, may dalawang blue LED pa dito. Imagine mo for 500 pesos. And ito ang itsura ng kanyang buds, which is pretty nice and decent naman for that price point. And yung comfort naman niya is okay lang. Not the best that you'll be feeling, but not so bad na after all. Kasi it's really, really affordable. But don't expect too much sa sounds niya kasi katamtaman lang, balance lang naman siya. Yung battery niya can last you for around mga 6 hours of usage is not pretty bad. Gaming is okay. There are times na may mafe-feel ka kunting lags. Hindi ako sure kung may low latency siya, but given that price point, I'm not really sure kung meron. Normally kasi mga buds na may low latency, ang presyo na nasa 1,500 and above. Ito, nasa around 500 pesos. So, I think baka wala. Sounds is normal, decent. Don't expect too much. Yan ang masasabi ko sa inyo. And ang ganda rin sa kanya dito, merong LED ang kanyang buds. So, giving you parang medyo gamer feel. Now, next one na nabili ko dito is a wireless charger. Hindi lang siya wireless charger. This is a 3-in-1 na wireless charger. So, you can charge your iPhone, you can charge your iWatch, and you can charge your AirPods. And honestly, it looks nice when it's folded. And maganda kanyang pagkaputi. Honestly, I was really expecting it to be this white. Sa likod, pwede mo sasandalin ng ganito para mapatong mo dito yung phone. Dito pwede mo patong yung Apple Watch for wireless charging. And pwede mo rin ipatong dito yung AirPods, which I think is a nifty product naman. But don't expect na meron fast charging nga lang to. But overall, I think yung ganitong product should be good. Hindi na ako nabili na LED flashlight which comes in handy lalo during Typhoon Karina. Nagamit ko to, no? Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ganito itsura niya up close. And ito ang kanyang power button which also lights up. Ganito itsura niya, no? Honestly, malakas ang kanyang ilaw which pakita ko lang sa inyo, no? Meron siya several modes. Itong ilaw, pwede mo hinaan, pwede mo gawing strobe light. No? So, tatlong mode. Pakita ko sa inyo, turn off ko na yung background. So, malakas din siya, no? And medyo malayo naman buga niya. Hindi ko na mapakita kasi may ilaw dito sa harap ko. So, ito yung mas mahinang form niya. And ito yung strobe light niya. Yan. Kakabili din ako nito for in case na kailanganin ko siya during Typhoon Karina. It's a latex waterproof na shoe cover. Ganito itsura niya. And ipapasok mo lang dito ang sapatos mo para protected ka, lalo kung naglalakad ka sa ulan. Meron naman siya grip dito sa ilalim, so making sure na hindi ka basta-basta madudulas. Ayun, nakita niyo, ilalim niya may grips. Hindi ko pa siya personally na testing, no? So, once na dumating si Typhoon Dindo, baka matry na natin to. Then, nakabili rin tayo ng multifunction na solar lamp. So, bubuksan natin. Meron siya kasama micro USB cable din. So, ganito itsura niya. Andito ang kanyang solar panel. Pwede mo rin siya i-charge sa micro USB or solar. Ito yung mga LED bulbs niya dito. Yan. Ang dami. So, once na binuksan mo, ganito itsura niya. Yan. Mas malakas to kaysa kanina. And, ito, ang kanyang other side is ibang color naman. So, depende sa kailangan mo. And on this side, meron pa ring ilaw. So, kadalaga nito, lalo kung may bagyo. And, what's nice naman dito sa kanya, is pati dito sa kabilang side may ilaw. So, there's a lot of modes na pwede mo gamitin. So, pwedeng double throw. Yan. Okay. Pwede rin itong dalawang bar lang sa gilid. Ang dami niyang choices, no? So, isa to sa mga pinakasulit na nabili ko sa Temu. And honestly, this one, hindi naman siya mahal. Ilalagay ko sa link on the description. Kasi paiba-iba naman presyo nila. There are times na nagkakaroon ng konting price changes. So, para at least updated kayo while you're watching this video. And pwede rin siya maging power bank in case of emergency during typhoon. Though hindi malaki ang power bank storage nito at 1,500 mAh lang. Ito isa sa mga favorite buys ko. It's a portable na air compressor. Imagine mo na flatan ka sa gitna ng daan medyo malayo ang gas station sa iyo. Or even nasa bahay mo pa lang bago ka lumabas sa bahay, flat na yung gulong ng isang kotse mo or motorcycle mo. You can use this one. Try nyo lang to. I think na it would be a very useful na tool sa bahay. Meron pa siya mga attachment para sa basketball and para sa mga inflatable na beds and boats. Perfect sa bagyo, no? Pansin mo mga binili ko dito sa Temu, mostly pang emergency preparedness, preparing ourselves for typhoon, different disasters na pwede mangyari dito sa Pilipinas. Lalo na pa nag-outage yung Meralco. You got your user guide and of course your charging cable. Ito itsura niya, no? It looks like a gun. Yan, pagbaliktaran. Itong pindutan niya. Itong air hose niya. One thing that I like dito sa is nylon braided. So, this is definitely going to be very durable. Ganito ang sound niya. Pero hangin lumalabas dito. But since wala tayong gulong dito sa loob ng aking studio, so I won't be able to test this. Probably I'll be testing this on a separate video. So, meron din pala siyang LED light in case na madilim. So, pwede mo siya iset sa PSI, sa bar, or sa different measuring mo. And also sa ibang units of measurement na gusto mo. And we're down to our last item. It's a digital camera. I know that it's 2024 na and a digital camera might not be such a great idea. But nevertheless, this is a separate entity on its own. Pwede mo siya gamitin pwede mo siya gamitin for any occasion na hindi nakakabawas sa battery ng iyong smartphone. And basahin lang natin some quick specs dito. Meron daw siya 1080p daw kanyang recording, 44MP ang kanyang max resolution. Well, portable, talagang magaan siya. 16 times ang zoom, may face detection and smile detection. Buksan natin. And by the way, ito pinapakita ko sa inyo is my featured na product na nabili ko, no? Siya yung pinakamahal among the products na nabili ko. And look guys, ang liit niya. It looks like a really cute na camera. May kasama sa Type-C cable, lanyard, and meron siyang carrying pouch. Not so bad ang kanyang carrying pouch, yung fabric. Now, if you turn on this thing, ganito yung tsura niya. And you see yourself, syempre, nakaharap sa akin. No? So, there's a lot of navigation dito. And what's nice dito sa kanya, Type-C na ang kanyang charging port. Hindi mo na siya kailangan tanggalin and ikabit sa on a separate na charging dock. Like yung mga Sony na A-series, kailangan ko pa tanggalin ng battery and ikabit ko pa siya sa on a separate charging dock. Andito sa ilalim kanyang micro USB port and meron siyang battery port. Ganito itsura ng kanyang battery. This is a 3.7 ampere na 700 milliampere hours na battery. So I took some samples dito and honestly, it's just average. Nothing really to be proud of dito sa kanyang camera, but it can get you some decent na shots. If you're looking for a camera na less than 2,000 pesos, I think this one just simply fits the bill. But the kanyang picture quality is better than ang mga smartphone na that's priced around mga 4,000 pesos. That one I can tell you. Now guys, nakita na everything na na-review ko. Honestly, dito sa Temu, it's rather new pa dito sa Philippines. And I would highly recommend you to try it out since ang dami pa nila mga pa-voucher, mga pa-coupons. And you can also get one coupon down sa aking description box just exclusive para sa aking mga viewers. Now, first, don't forget to download the Temu app using this QR code na i-flash ko sa screen. And ito ang code na pwede nang gamitin while you check out. And this is a special code na pwede nang gamitin when you check out dito sa Temu app from me. So guys, nakita na yung Temu app which you can use as an alternative do sa ibang mga online shopping apps. And one thing na masasabi ko, it's still a little bit limited ang mga products na in-offer niya. But habang tumatagal, dumadami ng mga product range na pwede mong piliin. But honestly, i-grab niyo yung offer niya na marami siya mga ino-offer na mga promos dito habang bago pa siya. So guys, kung nagustuhan niyo mga products na feature natin, everything is on the description box below. Just simply click it. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And then sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in the next one.
And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.